and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI and Flutter development. Buckle up, because we're about to explore how AI can transform your Flutter apps from beautiful and performant to downright intelligent. Why AI in Flutter? Imagine a shopping app that suggests perfect outfits based on your style, or a fitness app that predicts your health risks and offers personalized advice. These are just glimpses of the magic AI can bring to your Flutter creations. By integrating AI, you can 1. Personalize user experiences. Cater to individual preferences and needs, making your app truly unique for each user. 2. Automate tasks. Free up users' time and effort by automating repetitive tasks within the app. 3. Gain insightful analytics. Understand user behavior better and make data-driven decisions for app improvement. How to integrate AI with Flutter? The good news? Integrating AI with Flutter is easier than you might think. Thanks to various AI libraries and APIs, you can add intelligence to your app in just a few steps. Let's explore some popular options. 1. TensorFlow Lite. Run powerful machine learning models directly on your users' devices for fast, offline AI experiences. 2. ML Kit. Google's toolkit packed with ready-to-use features for common tasks like image recognition, text detection, and barcode scanning. 3. Teachable Machine. Train your own custom AI models easily, even without coding. Perfect for unique app functionalities. 4. IBM Watson. Access a variety of pre-trained AI services like language translation, text-to-speech, and image recognition from IBM's cloud platform. Dive deeper, exploring AI libraries. We'll take a closer look at each of these libraries, highlighting their strengths and how you can leverage them in your Flutter apps. The future of AI in Flutter. The future of AI in Flutter is brimming with possibility. Expect to see even more advanced features like 1. Sophisticated image and video analysis. Unlock deeper insights from visual data in your app. 2. Powerful natural language processing. Enable natural interactions and chatbots within your app. 3. Predictive analytics. Anticipate user needs and provide proactive recommendations. Join the AI revolution. With the ever-evolving AI landscape and the ease of integration offered by Flutter, there's no better time to jump on board. Start incorporating AI into your Flutter apps today and witness the transformation. Remember, personalization and intelligence are the future of mobile apps, and Flutter and AI are your keys to unlocking that future. Call to action. So, are you ready to unleash the power of AI in your Flutter apps? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and let's explore the exciting world of AI development together. Outro. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of AI and Flutter. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech adventures, and see you in the next video.